Hi, welcome in this walkthrough for check-in and step 1 of Unit 5. I'm going to take you through the exercises and explain them a bit more. For a general introduction, please see the paper version on what to do. We'll start with the check-in. In this first exercise, you will see 6 things and think about it. Answer these questions for yourselves. Now, should you have anyone around who speaks a bit of English, like a parent or a brother or so, it's of course good if you do discuss those questions. And if that person's old enough, maybe he or she even still remembers those things. Will be nice. Then you listen to the children. It's like these little kids who are getting those old items, and they have to say what they think it's for and what they think of it. It's quite fun to watch. You will see 5 items are mentioned. Just list them here in the order they're mentioned. Number 1 you write here and so on. Number 1 is talk boy. And then afterwards write down the letter of the correct description to the right number. Okay, good. Then move over to number 3. In number 3, you only make A. All you have to do is combine the names of the things with the things. Good. Okay, let's move on now to step 1 of the main track. In exercise 1, you have to think of 3 things you would absolutely say if your house burned down. Fingers crossed it doesn't happen, of course. Good, so write down the 3 things. It should be things, not people or pets. And for each of those, write down a sentence why you would save them. And always use this structure. Okay, so write down those 3 sentences. And then what you're going to have to do is to make a recording of yourself saying those sentences. You can either make an audio recording or a video recording, that's up to you. But do upload that recording in the upload zone. Deadline for that is Wednesday evening, so Wednesday 11:59 p.m. Should you have any questions on how to record, if you don't know how to do that, ask a fellow student or contact us. Good. Then exercise 2, watch the film fragment, answer the questions. Here's a little hint. There are 4 cheats, not including the phone. Okay, do 3 as well. Good, and then we're at number 2 for all time's sake. Think of these things. We may come back to them later. Just reflect on that. Exercise 2 is again watching a fragment and asking the questions. It's always the version with subtitles on the left and version without subtitles on the right. Yeah, up to you to decide what you learn most from. Here you're encouraged to watch the video again, answer a few more questions. And here you have to write a few sentences on why she put certain things in her time capsule. Could always use the same sentence structures here as well. Good. Which brings us to exercise 5, a bit of theory. Try to fill this out. Use the examples in exercise 4 and your own sentences. That's these. And try to fill it out. Now, that's not so easy, so if necessary, go and see on page 262 what it should be. Also, there is a key for this exercise already on Smart School, and also a nice instruction video on how to express reason and purpose, in which the same theory is dealt with. So have a good look at that, especially if you have troubles with this. And then make exercise 6. Sometimes there is more than one possibility, but if you combine all 5 of them, there is only one possibility. So reflect on that and maybe rethink what you first wrote down. 7 is filling out the linking words. So, for instance, because, but make sure that the linking word that you pick fits the sentence structure. Yeah? Because expects another linking word than because of, for instance. Good, almost there. You don't have to do 8. If you really want to, go ahead. We're not going to stop you. Do 9, read the text, look at the pictures as well, and answer the questions. And then the last exercise is number 10. In number 10, you sum up 6 things that you can't live without, that are really important to you, and also say why. I use the correct linking words. So for instance, because, or so that. Now it's important that you use purpose just as well as reason. Yeah. So you can use that one linking word more than once, but don't just always write because. Yeah. You should express both purpose and reason. Okay. Now write very clearly in this exercise and make a very clear picture of it to upload in the upload zone, or alternatively write your sentences in a Word document and upload that. Also, when finished with everything, make pictures of all pages that you filled something out. That is 234 to 240. That's not including this one, but do this one as well. And then upload those pictures in the upload zone as well. Deadline again is Wednesday evening, 11 p.m. Should you have any questions, you know where to find us. And otherwise, good luck with it and enjoy. Bye.